Hey, welcome to How's Channel. In today's video, we will show you how to remove time and date in PowerPoint. Open PowerPoint. We will show you a few ways to remove time and date. Select the time and date on the slide. Press Delete on your keyboard. Easy. You can also use Insert tab. Go to Date and Time. Uncheck Date and Time option and click on Apply or Apply to All. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!